Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the Snapchat app when it appears as expired. Here are the steps you can take to resolve this issue. First, try logging out of your Snapchat account and then log back in. This simple step can sometimes refresh the app and resolve the expired message. If that doesn't work, try logging out of all devices that are connected to your Snapchat account and then log back in. This can help reset your account and clear any issues causing the app to show as expired. Next, you can try clearing the cache files on your device. Go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find Snapchat, and tap on it. Then select Clear Data, and choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files that may be causing the issue. Another step you can take is to ensure that the Snapchat app has permission to run in the background. Check your device's battery optimization settings to make sure Snapchat is allowed to run in the background. If none of these steps work, you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure you download the latest version of the app to ensure you have all the latest updates and bug fixes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the expired message on your Snapchat app and continue using it without any issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.